Good morning, everyone. I am P. Maheshwaramma, lecturer in commerce. Today, I am here to explain about full syllabus of business statistics. Who are pursuing second year BCom computer applications and general students. Business statistics total syllabus is divided into 5 units. These are the 5 units. First, introduction to statistics. Second, diagrammatic and graphic presentation of data. Third, measures of central tendency. Fourth, measures of dispersion and skewness. Fifth unit, measures of relation. Hope you understand, students. We will discuss the unit wise in detail. First unit consists definition, importance and limitations of statistics, collection of data, schedule and questionnaire, frequency distribution, tabulation using computers. First, definition and introduction to statistics. After you going through this chapter, you must be able to talk clearly on meaning and statement of experts, scope and nature of statistics, functions of statistics and functions of statistician, limitations of the study, lack of confidence on statistical methods, how statistical facts can be used, uses and importance of the study of statistics, origin and growth and meaning of statistics. The word statistics has been derived from the Latin word status, the Italian word statista, or the German word statistic. All these words means a political state. In the earlier years, statistics means collection of facts about the state or the people in the state for political purposes. It helped in collecting data about economic and social conditions of the people living in different parts of the country. Meaning of statistics. It is not easy to define statistics in a precise manner. The reason being that two statisticians agree on the limits and scope of statistics. According to the dictionary meaning, it refers to statistical method in singular sense, whereas numerical data in plural sense. First, we can discuss singular sense or in the sense of statistical method. For a layman, statistics are only mass of figures. According to Tate, statistics is a body of principles and techniques of collecting, classifying, presenting, comparing, and interpreting the quantitative data. Techniques. Statistical techniques are important tool of decision making in business as well as commerce. Decision making refers to choice among alternative courses of action. Starting with the market survey, demand for a commodity up to its final sale. A business enterprise has to take various decisions regarding their production, planning, operation of plant, equipment, machinery, what are the tools can be followed for advertising and sales promotions, etc. These are the techniques. Main techniques are important tool for decision making. According to Professor Allen, Statistical technique are those functions and methods with the help of which managerial personnel arrive at a specific decisions. According to Croxton and Cowden, statistics is the collection, classifying, analysis, and presentation of numerical data. Collection, it is the first step in a statistical inquiry. The collection part is the backbone of the inquiry. If the collection of data is not in proper form, in that case, the conclusion drawn can never be reliable. The source of data may be primary, that is collected directly from the respondent. The data may be secondary. Next, after collecting the data, you can classify according to their nature. After classification and presenting the numerical facts of data. Next, you can discuss in next class plural sense or in the sense of numerical data.